What's up, guys? Today I figured I'd do a little video with this key fob type thing. It turns the headlights on and off with this little receiver in here. Okay, so here's a 9-volt battery I got mounted, and after a couple of weeks went by, this device drained the battery. So I thought the battery was old, and lo and behold, I put a new one in and fucking did it again. So I messaged the seller on Amazon that sells this, and he says, yeah, it does draw a little bit of milliamps, but it shouldn't kill the battery. Well, that's fucking bullshit. So my idea, and it's by no means going to fit all your applications, but for my application it did. I took a single pole, single throw toggle switch, and it's kind of afterthought video. Anyway, there is 3 lugs on this switch. So you got one in the middle, which is your common, and then you can connect either end. All I did is take this red wire here coming from the battery, and I soldered it to the middle lug on the toggle, and then this little receiver here has a red wire, and then I soldered it to the end of this end of the toggle switch. So actually it's this end, because right now in this position it's off. So if we were to press on, you can see the headlights ain't doing nothing. But the moment we switch this and we do it, so when it's not in use, it just breaks the circuit and it keeps the battery from draining, and you can keep the battery hooked up. When you want to run it, you flip it that way and she works.